Hello, everyone. Many Chinese language learners are confused by these two adjectives, 美丽 and 漂亮. Both can be translated as pretty or beautiful in English, but are they the same in terms of their usage? Can these two adjectives be used interchangeably or are they different? Let's find out in this video. If you want to use 美丽 or 漂亮 correctly, just follow these four simple rules. 美丽 and 漂亮 can be used interchangeably when describing a scenery. 公园的风景很漂亮。公园的风景很漂亮。Or you can say 公园的风景很美丽。The scenery of the park is very beautiful. When describing a person, 美丽 is used solely for women, but 漂亮 can be used for both male and female. 这漂亮的小男孩是谁家的孩子？这漂亮的小男孩是谁家的孩子？This beautiful boy is whose? 漂亮 or 美丽的女孩人人爱。漂亮、美丽的女孩人人爱。Everyone likes pretty or beautiful girls. 美丽 can be used to describe concrete or abstract things. 漂亮 is used for concrete things only. 美丽的谎言，美丽的谎言 beautiful lies. 美丽的神话故事，美丽的神话故事 beautiful fairy tales. 美丽的灵魂，美丽的灵魂 beautiful soul. 美丽的误会，美丽的误会 beautiful misunderstanding. 漂亮 can be used as a compliment to mean splendid, remarkable, wonderful, etc. But 美丽 cannot be used this way. 这事你干的实在漂亮。这事你干的实在漂亮。You have done such a remarkable job. 汉字写得很漂亮。汉字写得很漂亮。Your Chinese handwriting is splendid. 漂亮 here means splendid. 他只会说漂亮话。他只会说漂亮话。He only knows how to say idle or empty words. 漂亮话 means idle or empty words.
他会说一口漂亮的韩语。他会说一口漂亮的韩语。He can speak Korean fluently. The 漂亮 here means fluent. 这话再说下去就不漂亮了。这话再说下去就不漂亮了。What you are saying becomes unreasonable if you continue on. 不漂亮 means unreasonable. 这场球赛打得真漂亮。这场球赛打得真漂亮。This game was really played wonderfully.
There you have it, 4 simple rules to remember when using 美丽 and 漂亮. Let's recap. Number 1, 美丽 and 漂亮 can be used when describing a scenery. Number 2, 美丽 and 漂亮 can be used when describing a female person, but 漂亮 can only be used when describing a male person. Number 3, 美丽 can be used to describe concrete and abstract things, whereas 漂亮 can only be used for concrete things. Number 4, 漂亮 can be used as a complement to mean splendid, wonderful, remarkable, etc., but 美丽 cannot be used this way. We have lots of videos available in this channel. If you are interested, please do check them out.